show was just amazing. We had so many amazing models. The look, I mean, Tiara knocked it out of the park. Sailor production, all the way. I would go to the moon for Tiara.
Hey everybody, my name is Courtney Russell. I'm from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I'm here at the Lipstick 2013 Awareness Fashion Show. I had so much fun. I want to give a great big shout out to Tiara Crawford. Whenever the video comes out, I hope that you guys share it, and I hope that you guys love it. Thanks.
Sailor, sailor.